Before you buy your next fly fishing rod, wait. Because choosing the wrong rod can ruin your entire fishing trip. Bad casting, no distance, no accuracy, frustration. But choosing the right rod, that changes everything. In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 best fly fishing rods of 2026, tested in mountain streams, rivers, and even saltwater conditions. And yes, I've added all the links in the description below, so you can check the latest price and reviews anytime. Now let's help you find the perfect rod for your fishing style. Number 7. PLUSINNO Fly Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. If you want something simple, easy, and ready to fish right out of the box, the PLUSINNO Fly Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is a great starting point. This rod is lightweight, very lightweight. It feels smooth in your hands, and easy to control. And here's what makes it special. It's telescopic. That means it folds down small. You can put it in your car, backpack, or even carry it during a quick weekend trip. The reel has a multi-bearing system with anti-reverse, so your casting feels natural and controlled. Now, is this for professionals chasing giant saltwater fish? No. But for beginners, casual anglers, travelers, this is a very convenient choice. But what if you want something a little more traditional and slightly stronger? Let's move up. Number 6. Martin Complete Fly Fishing Kit. The Martin Complete Fly Fishing Kit solves 2 big beginner problems: price and confusion. If you're new, assembling gear can feel overwhelming. This kit removes that stress. You get rod, reel, line, flies all matched and ready. It uses a fiberglass rod, which is more forgiving. That's very important for beginners learning how to cast. Compared to the PLUSINNO, this one feels a bit more traditional and balanced, less travel focused, more learning focused. If your goal is to truly learn fly casting technique properly, this one gives you that foundation. But what if you want something more modern and lighter? Let's go next. Number 5. Sougayilang Fly Fishing Combo. The Sougayilang Fly Fishing Rod Combo is where portability meets quality. This rod is carbon fiber, lighter than fiberglass. That means easier casting, less arm fatigue, better control. It's a 4-piece rod, so it fits inside a travel case. Perfect for hiking 2 rivers or mountain streams. Compared to the Martin kit, lighter, more modern feel, slightly more durable, real aluminum. This works beautifully in freshwater rivers, lakes, ponds. If you want beginner-friendly, but slightly upgraded, this is a strong choice. But maybe you want even better materials and performance. Let's step up again. Number 4. Maxcatch Extreme Fly Fishing Combo. Now we're getting serious. The Maxcatch Extreme Fly Fishing Combo kit gives you premium features at a budget price. This rod uses IM7 carbon fiber. What does that mean for you? Stronger backbone, better sensitivity, more accurate casting. It also comes with travel case, neoprene, reel cover, full setup, ready to go. Compared to the Sougayilang, slightly stronger build, more durable materials, better for long-term uses. It's perfect for beginners who don't want to upgrade quickly. But what if your focus is precision fishing, especially nymph? Then this next rod might surprise you. Number 3. Redington Fly Fishing Field Kit. The Redington Fly Fishing Field Kit is designed for Euro NYMPHING. If you fish small streams, tight spaces, technical waters, this rod gives you control. It's built for precision. The casting feels smooth, sensitive, accurate compared to the Mac. More specialized, better for technical anglers, higher precision performance. This isn't just a beginner combo. This is for someone serious about improving their nymphing skills. And the quality, much higher than most starter kits. But now, let's move to something even more refined. Number 2. Moonshine Rod Co. Fly Fishing Rod. The Moonshine Rod Co. Fly Fishing Rod feels premium. It uses S2 fiberglass with a slow-action full-flex design. What does that give you? Smooth casting, beautiful control, pinpoint accuracy. This rod feels alive in your hands. Compared to the Redington, slower, smoother flex, more artistic casting. Feel great for experienced anglers. Also comes with an extra tip section, which is amazing insurance if something breaks on the water. This rod is perfect if you care about feel, feedback, and control. But now, let's talk about the best overall beginner-friendly option from a trusted brand. Number 1. Orvis Encounter Fly Rod Outfit. If you're just starting fly fishing and want 0 mistakes, the Orvis Encounter Fly Rod Outfit is the safest choice. This is from Orvis, one of the most respected names in fly fishing. You get 4-piece rod, reel, line, leader case. It's lightweight, very easy to cast, extremely beginner-friendly. Compared to every other rod on this list, more trusted brand, reputation, better warranty, balanced performance, ideal 5-weight versatility. It works in rivers, lakes, even light saltwater conditions. And the best part, the performance gap between beginner and pro rods has never been smaller. This rod gives you confidence from day one. Quick comparison. Summary if you want. Most portable gives PLUSINNO best ultra budget starter, gives Martin light and modern. Beginner combo gives Sougayilang best value. Performance combo gives Maxcatch best for nip. Precision gives Redington premium smooth casting feel, gives Moonshine best overall. Beginner investment gives Orvis Encounter. Final thoughts. The truth is, the best fly fishing rod is the one that matches your style. Are you hiking to mountain streams, fishing local ponds, traveling often, or learning your very first cast? Choose based on your needs, not hype. And remember, a good rod doesn't just catch fish, it builds confidence. Strong CTAIF. You're ready to upgrade your fly fishing game. Check the links in the description below. I've added all the rods with updated prices and reviews, so you can compare easily. Don't wait too long. Fishing season doesn't wait. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more fishing gear reviews, and let me know in the comments, which rod are you choosing for 2026? Tight lines, and I'll see you in the next one.